Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the main event here at Sovereign Stadium. We ask that you direct your attention to the center stage. Are you ready? Please welcome Mira Nocturne!
Sovereign Stadium! I want you! I need you! The moonlight shines on the sweat of your skin. I can taste the craving when you breathe me in. I'm aching for it. Come and find me. Come find what you're looking for in the dark. Walk the streets in this freezing hollow night. Feel the wind bite, see the ghosts of empty lights. Where are you hiding? My chest is burning tight. I need you here, baby. Let's get this right. Shadows haunt the corners, no place left to hide. This lonely heart is shattered, broken deep inside. I want you back, crawling right back to my side. I need you here tonight. I won't be denied. The city's humming a dark, forgotten tune. Only your touch can soothe the blood-red moon. I'm offering my heart on a silver jagged spoon. I need you now, and it better be soon. I need you here tonight. Don't leave me bleeding in this lonely fight. Our love won't fade. It's a blinding, lethal light. I need you here, right now, tonight. Footsteps echo through the velvet, heavy, dark. Silent whispers on my skin, they leave a permanent mark. Only your fire can reignite the dying spark. I need you here, hunting like a lark. The leather's tight, the tension's pulling thin. I'm waiting in the dark to let the sin begin. A hunger in my soul, a fever on my skin. I'll wrap you in my chains until you're giving in. The rhythm takes hold, moving like a snake. Every breath I draw is for the love we make. In this heavy heat, there's no room for mistake. I'll give you everything for my soul's sake. Don't leave me bleeding in this lonely fight. Our love won't fade. It's a blinding, lethal light. I need you here, right now, tonight. Stay right here. You